Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to edit like a pro your photos using Adobe Lightroom CC for mobile. Also, you can download the DNG file for free using the password that will appear on this video. So, let's start. First, go to cropping. Select the area that you like. Now, go to light. Exposure, down to -0.20. Contrast, to 48. Highlight, to -23. Set the shadows to 46. Whites, down to -82. And the blacks, up to 60. Now, go to colors. Set the vibrance at 49 and the saturation down to -10. Next, go to curve. Set the curve like this. And done. Open the colors mix. For red, set the hue to -14. Saturation down to -50. Luminance, up to 14. Now, go to orange. Hue to -10. Saturation, down to -23. Set the luminance at 25. Set the yellow hue to -100. Saturation, down to -30. Luminance to 26. For the rest of colors, set only the saturation, down to -100. Now, tap the effects icon and go to split tone. Set the highlight at 220 and saturation at 10.
For shadows, set up to 218 and saturation to 5. And done. Set the clarity to 60 and dHAZ to 20. Now, go to Details. Sharpening to 19. Noise reduction, up to 35. And finish. Now, you can copy these settings and paste them to other photos. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you for watching.